If your Windows 10 computer has been feeling sluggish or laggy lately, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you some quick fixes to get your system running smoothly again. So let's dive in. Alright, let's start with some simple yet effective steps to tackle the issue. Make sure to follow along and remember to hit that subscribe button for more tech tips. First things first, sometimes a simple restart can resolve big issues. If you haven't done this recently, go ahead and restart your computer. It clears out temporary files and stops many and all the unnecessary processes. Next, let's make sure your system is up to date. Windows often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Here's how you can check for updates. Press Win plus I to open the settings menu. Go to Update, Windows Update, and install any update available and restart your computer if prompted. Next, let's free up some disk space. Low disk space can cause your system to slow down. Let's fix that. Go to System, scroll down until you find Storage. Here, click on Temporary Files and select Remove Files. You can also use built-in disk cleanup tool to get rid of unnecessary files. Just type disk cleanup into the search bar, open the app and follow the prompts. Too many programs starting up with your computer can slow it down. So let's disable some unnecessary startup programs. Right click on the programs you don't need and select disable. Be careful not to disable essential programs like your antivirus software. After you've done that, simply close it. Malware can cause significant performance issues. Running a scan can help identify and remove any threats. Let the scan complete. To do that, go to Open Settings and go to Windows Security. Then tap on Virus and Threat Protection. And here, do the quick scan. Here, the built-in tool will automatically scan whether there is any malware or not. If there is, it will let us know. And there you have it, some quick fixes to help speed up your Windows 10 computer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any question or issues you're facing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.